YouTube says that in order to get you, the viewer, engaged in watching these videos, and to keep on watching videos, there needs to be a hook in the first 15 seconds of a video. What's a hook? Well, they say it's something personal. Well, they say it's something personal. And wore pants the other day. I wasn't a fan. Not good enough of a hook? Giovanni's, man. Talk about some food. Now that should be the hook. They're in South Central PA on Dairy Street. Giovanni's on Dairy Street. Oh my goodness. That's who this sign. That's who this sign's for. And I got a chance to taste this food. Unbelievable. I wouldn't suggest to anybody to drop what you're doing and run out and pick up a pizza, because you can get a pizza from any of your local pizza joints. Don't waste your time. But he does bakeries too. It's phenomenal. His bakery's worth the drive. For real. His side dishes are worth it too. He makes this, no joke, this homemade potato chip. Are you kidding me? A pizza shop that makes homemade potato chips. They're freaking awesome. They're worth a drive for the potato chips. And the cannolis. And the baklava. Oh my gosh, the baklava. Woo! I'm getting hungry thinking about it. Giovanni's on Dairy Street. There's 3 in our area. I haven't been to the other ones, so don't go because I don't have any idea. Sorry to the other Giovanni's. This is South Central PA. Giovanni's on Dairy Street. Man, good stuff. Good prices too. I was getting ready to say good stuff cheap, but I think Ollie's might get pissed because that's their logo. This isn't an endorsement for anybody. I'm telling you, Giovanni's is great food, good people, fast service. I actually got sidetracked. They're open 7 days a week. 7 days. Oh, their wraps. Yep. Oh, their sandwiches. I totally forgot about. I had oh my goodness. I had a Wyoming burger. Awesome. Had a mountain burger. Awesome. The mountain burger had bacon on it, man, and it was good bacon. Oh my goodness. The black and blue. Are you freaking kidding me? Like, he shouldn't even be a pizza shop. He should be a restaurante or some shit. Stuff like that. Man. His wraps. His salads. When you say salad, you would think that, everybody could do a salad. You would think that, lettuce and stuff, tomatoes and things. But I don't know, he puts crack in it or something. I don't know what it is. His food's good. Maybe he shouldn't put crack in it. That might be illegal, I would think. I don't know. It's good. Oh, his wings. No joke, his wings. He also caters too. He caters. His wings are finger bone sucking, licking good. Like, you have to be careful eating it with your hands because you'll bite your fingers. It's that good. I'm not joking. I need to go for lunch. I'm gonna go to Giovanni's, Dairy Street, South Central PA, 7 days a week. Oh my goodness. Tell him Build More with Less sent you. I will throw up his menu if you'd like to see, like to take a peek. Oh my goodness. Where were we going with this video? Something about building a marquee sign for Ricky. Yeah. Or about food, which, I don't know. Go check them out.